I'm Sayan from BBA Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. So today we are going to preparing the spicy prawn in spinach rice.
So here we go, and we have the following ingredients. We have the rice, we have the spinach, we have a lot of colorful vegetables, the bell peppers, the onion, the sprouts for garnish, and we have beetroot, and we have the prawns. So here we will start, okay?
Okay.
We'll put some oil. This recipe is all about colors. This is all about seasonal vegetables such as the bell peppers, such as you have zucchini and you have spinach. It's all about the winter assimilation of colorful vegetables and a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients. So we'll start. Just stir it a little bit. Firstly, we will make this flavored spinach. We'll put some garlic. We'll stir it. We'll put some spinach. Stir it properly. Quickly stir it. We'll put some salt for flavoring. Little bit pepper. As soon as this spinach leaves water, we understand that this is cooked. After you finish it up, just put it in here. Right, we'll keep it here. Now we are going to prepare the vegetables for the prawn. We have the carrots, we have the bell peppers, right? We have a little bit red bell pepper, we have zucchini, the green bell peppers, the yellow bell peppers, little bit of peas, little bit of tomato, little bit of mustard sauce, a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of beans, more of tomatoes, and lastly the prawns. Everything once. Let's cover this little bit for 2 minutes. Then we'll start with the rice. We can put more vegetables to the rice, but here we'll only put some green peas, only because we want to keep the rice neutral. We'll just flavor the rice a little bit. We'll put some ginger. We'll put the rice. This is the herb oil. Now put it here. Now the ingredients of the dish is ready, and we are going to make the presentation. So we'll start with the presentation. Put it in the center, like this, like this. Now mix it. Mix it. Keep it there. Wait. So now this dish is ready. You have to try at home and let us know how you liked it. Thank you.